Good morning. Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. This is Mike. Once again, it is Friday, November 5th, 2021. And let's start taking a look at the NASDAQ futures. Let me get to my morning spot here. All forms of trading carry high level risk, so you should only speculate with money you can afford to lose. You can lose more than your initial deposit and stake. Please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. Familiarize yourself with the risks involved, and if necessary, seek independent advice. U.S. government required disclaimer: Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Trading financial instruments of any kind, including options, futures, and securities, have large potential rewards, but also large potential risks. You must be aware of the risk and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the options, futures, and stock markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Alrighty, good morning everybody, Mr. Mike here. Today, actually, I'm doing this, I'm going to be doing sim trading today. Now, and you might ask, why am I doing sim trading? I haven't traded all week, basically, since the last time I logged off. And through experience over the time, and this is more for the education, why I do this is because when I take a break, I gotta reset my trading brain. And I'm just getting online, and that's one of the main reasons why I wanted to do this thing right now is here, let me just try it right now really quick, just to warm up.
Order filled.
I'm going to warm up my brain. I'm going to transition here. Other screen. It's another screen. Scene 2. There we go. And the reason why I do that is because I just jumped in right now. I had positive delta. And if I trade too fast too soon, I might have got nervous on this number here. Am I correct or not? Is my muscle memory for trading correct or not? Because it looked like I could have jumped in really quickly. Can I make a profit or not? Okay. So because I'm already down 200 right now, and it looks like it's going the other way, we'll find out right away. And let me get my hopefully I am correct here. And then we'll go from there. Okay, perfect. So basically what I'm going to be looking for, we are at positive delta. We are on a sell phase. We are on a Friday. You know I hate trading on Fridays. And it looks like I'm going to get destroyed here. And this is the reason why I do a sim when I'm gone for a while. Filled. Let's try it again. Buy market.
Order filled.
And hopefully I can be on the right side of the trade here. And so what I'm going to be looking for, now let's get into the technical side. Let's see where the high is. I got to warm this up here. Got to warm up my brain. It's been a week. There we go. I'll put a margin here. I put a margin here. Get my brain going. Still vibrating quite a bit. We can hopefully get to 50. Quarter marker here. But what I'm going to be looking for, yeah, so the delta is pushing up, and she might be going my direction right now. If not, I'll shut her down really quickly, and then we can go again, because she is vibrating like crazy.
Order filled.
So I got majority of my money back, which is a good thing. So I'm only down $40. And now what I'll do is, because I'm a little nervous in trading. Like mentally, I'm nervous when I'm gone for a week, and I'm just not in the rhythm. I haven't been watching the market every day, and you don't have to be an eagle eye all the time. But what we have to do is we have to set things up, because I jumped in, like I said, I'm selling daylight savings time, and that's why I haven't traded all week. It's hard for me. So what I'll do, if I'm take a holiday, if I walk away, I might trade sim for a day or two. Get my feet wet once again, and then jump into it. And then I'll get back into my routine. What do I look at? So what I will do, since I rambled like crazy first thing in the morning, this is what I mean about stop rambling. Okay, so what I'll do, because we just jumped in a market open, then I'll say, okay, this is what I do, this is my routine. What are we here? Okay, I'm starting on a sell phase now. The buy phase, if we looked at previous buy phase, I had 500 back then, and all week, because I haven't traded, which kind of, now you get kind of angry saying, why did I trade? But that's okay, because there's always that next trading opportunity. It did actually 1,000 points, unbelievable. So we had some breakout. So then I'll say, okay, what's my first analysis? I'm on a sell phase, still pushing up aggressively. Let's remove all drawing objects, get into my routine, see what I'm looking at. We've actually had a beautiful run here. We're at 1920, still holding, delta's holding, and delta's pushing up, so possibility is going to continue. And then I'll look at the third thing, get my brain used to this again. Looking at, now we're already in the market, look at the rhythm, maybe a good pullback here, looks like it's trying to break through, and saying, what does my trade map say? At 9:35, looks like we have bullish run, a really long bullish run. If it does work out, we're at 9:34, 9:35, and then now I'm starting to get my brain, getting back that muscle memory back, okay? Now I'm saying, okay, possibility, long run, starting sell phase, should be pullback, we don't know, and then I'll start getting into the nitty gritties. Look at this marker here, see what's the price action, if there's going to be a lot of buying or selling. So there's a lot of block orders at 21. My brain is warming up, and then I'll say, you know what? Guess what? I'm going to buy the darn thing.
Order filled.
Because delta now, let's transition. Is exploding up, still exploding up for a little while. We knew the map was going up. And then I can say 50, 62, 61, high pulled down 22, breaking out of our 70% zone. Maybe I can make 5, 10 points. We can get hopefully 30 to 50. 50 is a quarter, remember? So I will go sell target.
Order submitted.
Hopefully get to 50, 49. So if it's a 50 here, let's go 48. Couple points back, and hopefully we make our money. So that's what I'm looking at. And then what I'll look at here, because while it's still vibrating and I'm down because I jumped in with my brain still tired, look at delta's pushing down and saying, okay, aggressive delta the first 5 minutes. We know the market should be exploding up due to the trade map. We might be right, we might be wrong. Can I make 5 points? Is 5 points good enough for us? Okay? So if it is good enough,
Order filled.
look at that. It's in minus 40 to negative 3. That's how much slippage there is. And just give it a little bit more time. Let's see, we have a little bit delta here. Now let's take a look at last thing here, because I got to warm up my brain. Because we're supposed to have the whole trade maps. Oh, these are micros. I wasn't on my micro chart. That's the reason why. So yeah, I would have been really down. That's right, I was testing a micro. And so, because I'm on a micro, which is a good thing, because I would have been down big time. And that's okay. Usually I trade regulars. You know what? I'll put it on regular now. My brain is warmed up a bit. And then what we'll do, I will look at that trade map where I'm looking at, and we know we can probably get to a quarter here. We'll let it push, we'll watch what delta does, and we'll see if there's going to be a nice pullback. If delta turns around aggressively, I'll buy it again. We're at 0.66162. We're after 35. I'll look at the map. Yeah, we got to 45.
Order filled.
So I got it to 45, and the reason why I'm saying 45, now can we make 5 points? I will go to sell MIT.
Order submitted.
38.46, good enough for now, and then I'll transition. The reason why I'm saying that is because we possibly have a sell marker here. This is turning around 45. The BAP is following it quite nicely. So hopefully we can get our target. And
Order filled.
there we go. It's not much, but let's transition again. I'm in the green. So, because I'll be probably trading live in the morning, that was a lot of trades within a short period of time. I'm just trying to get my muscle memory back, okay? First trade, luckily, I was in micros because I took a hit hard time of 20 points, okay? Excuse me, took a couple of micro trades again for to get that feeling of saying, okay, I can understand a winning trade. I can understand a winning trade. What am I looking at? And then I'll say, okay, Delta is strong, still fighting, fading down. Are my numbers working? Is everything feeling correct? Jumping into a trade and start marking it off. Now, what I will do now, in conclusion, this is it. This is the video I just want to show you guys. In conclusion is now, because I'm waking up back into the trade zone, because for myself it shows 7:30 Eastern Standard Time, but it's actually, for me, it's 7:65. Is it 5 in the morning? No, it must be coming 6 in the morning for me now. No, it's daylight savings. I just can't think right now. So what I will do now is, let's go through the regular scenario, what I transition into. I'd be looking at this, like, once again, and saying to myself, we're still kind of bullish finishing off on this pattern. There will be a pullback. Okay? I will be looking at my vibration, but especially on the 4-hour chart right now, how long of a runner it is. So we know we should be packing off. And then what I will look for is those even numbers at 16.5, where the order blocks are holding. This is what I look for, guys. And then, of course, then I rely on my map. And my map looks like it's working really well because 940 signal is pushing down. 931 did kick off, so this was a beautiful move. Okay? There we go. And then this trade map, we'll find out if she's going to follow this path. This could be our pull down below the trend tracker going up. It looks like she's going to maybe peek out. And look how the map is. This map here is perfect. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Just following it right on the money. So we'll see if 9:45 is my peak time for the drawdown to 10:44. Okay. And then lastly, then what I'll do, see here it's supposed to be pulling down, this is our drawdown while this is going up. And what I'll do, because now my brain has finally woke up for the first thing in the morning, take our swing lines, and this was just before 9:30 open, now we know. Looking at my 30-minute candle, still pushing up, but a lot of resistance, and it's playing within the parameters. Delta's pulling down. So now, that's the question, is because this is a nice pull down on Delta, if this hits at 0 and starts breaking below this volume upon a control line, see how aggressive it is right now? Is this that peak from 940, for example?
Order
I can
filled.
literally do that if this gets to 0. Okay? We're almost at market open price, so if it could tap market open, could be pulling down farther down, and we know we're passing this resistance line, so we got this resistance line. Delta is crashing like a stone. Okay, see, look at this, 165 holding. This could be just a bounce. We'll see what happens exactly when it hits at 0. See, we're right at volume point control. 50, 40, 30, 20. There's our bounce. Not enough. 60, 50, 50, 60. $90. Yeah.
Order
See,
filled.
I'm not ready yet because it's holding at 100. Like I said, it can do the 0 bounce and fire up again, or if she starts crashing again, then we can keep on going. Because it's holding at 150 now, guys. See? We're at 11. It's hitting an order block right now. We're at volume point of control. You have to break this line here. This could be just a snapback or continuation. We'll see what happens right at 0. Let's see if there's a buy-in at 0. See how she's turning quickly? She's pushing up. Not sure yet, because this is sometimes the fake out, the double fake out continuation. So I'm watching this. It's holding at 150. And we're almost at 9:45. This is the 9:45 time. We would just want to wait and see. Is it going to be the fail? See how she's creeping up slowly now? Put mine back in. Okay, now this is where we have to watch. There's the spike. It went from 0 to 700. See what these guys are doing. And we're still at volume point control. And this is, like I said, this is the reason why
Order
I'm
filled.
just trying to warm up my brain. And then what you can do is hopefully get 5 points right now. They're playing around. It is a Friday, remember. And so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or whatever. And we're still above this zone here, still above the 1 point zone too. And let's see, is that the rejection? Let me see. Here we go, 3. And then we know we can hopefully get to the top of the 70% zone. There's 4, 5, 6. Come on. I'd like to see a 10 popper, but that's what I shoot for sometimes, 4. But if they're just playing around too much, you can always shave off $100 at a time. And then I'm watching Delta at the same time. Yeah, she's sponsoring too much, so I'd probably shave off until I get to 4 or 5 points now. They're still playing. Where are they? What's the Delta? Yeah, they're going to play this game back and forth. Now we know.
Order filled.
And then
Order filled.
there we go. So I got caught on the fake out, which direction either or. Because we're playing with volume point control. And if we get it, if she fails, she fails. Because she's playing right here. See the spike up, spike down, spike up, spike down. And because it, like I always said for myself, it is a Friday for myself. And this is not, I don't trade well on Fridays, overly well. But now I can start looking at chart patterns, hopefully get 5 points here, 5 points there, until it starts going. And it might be, what is it, 10:30? I don't know. But see, I'm watching this Delta start fading again. So they hit that 0 fade. They'll do another pull down again. We need to break 400, maybe get to the VWAP. And then what I can do is I can go sell market again.
Order filled.
These are regulars, not micro, so I really have to watch, sorry. And maybe get 5 points on the first one, and then go for another 5 on the second one. You can see the Delta is creeping down slowly. They need to break volume point control, hopefully get down to from 18 even to this order block right here. There it goes. 6, 7.
Order filled.
There we go, 286. Done. So And that's it for the video. It's basically the lesson is when you haven't traded in a while, you see me done a few bad trades, not try to get emotional with this one candle within, I guess it would be 20 minutes, trying to readjust everything. And hopefully I'll be back on Monday when the daylight change is finished, so I can actually start trading the way I like trading. So other than that, you know, if you have any questions, you can always email at me at ABC Wall Street Trader. Check on the Discord, and I'll be getting going from there. There she crashes 88. Other than that, take care. Have a good one. Bye.